this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, showing you our 80K K5 Blazer. There you can see it's got the Ace's kill shot fuel injection on it. It needs to probably be tuned. It likes to kill right away when you first start it. We're gonna find somebody who can do it. I'm gonna call them and see what we got to do. Just so you know, but it does have fuel injection, half tank of fuel. Needs a horn. I got one ordered. There's a fan. And let's see if the radio works. There's your tuner. Oh, it says goodbye. Station, so the antenna may be an issue, but it works. Dome light works. And wipers work. There you can see we got a bad windshield. We're going to try to get one of them put in, and we'll show you the lights. Engine runs good, .AC, like they said, fuel injection, L-Rock intake. Probably, like I said, fuel injection needs a little tuning. Runs good when it idles, but it just has a few little issues with it, with killing and stuff. So, got nice square headlights on 80s. You see we got a marker light that's out over there. Sounds good, got some good sound in exhaust. There's your tail. So, pretty solid old Blazer. Got a few things it needs, but give us a call with any questions. 605-695-7391.